Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Anurag Jha. Today I will discuss about the role of quality engineer or quality manager after completing the lockdown in manufacturing sector or automotive sector. First of all, please subscribe my channel. Quality is everything in my channel name, and please watch and share my full video. So let's start today discuss about the role of quality engineer or quality manager after completing the lockdown in manufacturing sector or automotive sector. So first of all, you need to inspect the raw materials, inspect the semi-finished product and finished product. You need to inspect the raw materials because you have to hold the raw materials from last long time. You need to inspect the raw materials again in lab. Second thing that is most important, your semi-finished product. If your semi-finished product you have to stock in machining process, you need to again inspect the criteria, again inspect the all specification of your product. If your product as per your specification, that means the product will be okay. Otherwise, if you not fulfill the specification, that will be the product will be rejected, and if they will be okay, the product will go for the next process. Second thing is the finished product. You have to again inspect the finished product. If your finished product as per customer requirement fulfill the customer requirement as per standard, then will the product go for the final dispatch inspection. Otherwise, the product will be rejected. Now come on the second thing, that is your validation of the process. As per quality engineer or quality manager, you need to again revalidate the critical parameters of your machining process. You have to, because you have to stop the all machining process last 40-45 days. You need to again you have to revalidate the critical parameters. That is most important thing. Third thing that is most important is cleaning of all machining process and all finished product. That is most important because you have to hold the all finished product in your final dispatch inspection area, maybe in your FIFO. You have need to cleaning the process. Third thing that is most important thing, you need to inspect the again the finished product, again the FIFO product. You have to stock the final product in FIFO for the dispatch for the customer end. But before sending the customer end, you need to again inspect the final product, final FIFO product, because if you have to hold the material from last 1 month, so it will be changing some characteristics. You need to again inspect, and if the criteria fulfill the as per customer requirement, that your product fulfill the customer requirement, that will be go. Otherwise, that will be go for the next process, that for the customer end. Otherwise, the product will be stock product will be hold in your area, and you have to discuss with your customer. If the customer agree, yeah, something will be changing. If your customer is agree with your customer for the taking your product, that will go, that will be good for your company. Otherwise, you have to reject the material. That is most important things, and it is very useful for your goodwill for your company, your goodwill for your the customer, because it is a very critical time, because the company will be open, the requirement of product will be high, and during this process if any customer complaint will be failed, it will be very dangerous for your company. So you need to discuss, first of all you need to discuss with your customer. That is most important things. Fourth thing is that when the all thing will be open, your cleaning process will be okay. You have to finish, semi-finished, finished product you have to inspect. Then after you have to give the on-job training of all operator. That is most important thing. After giving the training, you need to process audit, step by step processes, deeply process audit and product audit. That is most important thing. If you are doing the process and product audit after revalidation, after inspect the semi-finished product, raw materials and finished product, that will be very helpful for your manufacturing process and your the product. And now most important thing is that as a quality engineer, as a quality manager, you need to increase the your inspection, because during the time is after long time your company will be open, you need to inspect the all materials. You have to monitoring the process. That is most important thing, where we have to chance of some rejected parts will be in process will be generated during in your manufacturing process, because you have to stock the raw materials. You have to, sorry, you have to last 1 month you have to stop the machine process. So some behaviors of the machine, you need some changing in the machine process, maybe some rejection part will be generated. So you need to map, you need to monitoring the process, and you have to increase the monitoring process as a quality engineer. So I think this video is very helpful for you, for your organization. So as a quality engineer, I request to quality engineer, quality manager, you need to follow this rule and regulation. It's very helpful for your organization and also goodwill for your customer. So thank you and good luck.